Hello friends, today it has come in the news that Airtel is going to raise the tariffs of its prepaid services. Well, it is a concerning news because if Airtel raises the tariffs, then there being very less competition in the market, the BSNL, Jio and Vodafone will also raise the tariffs as these companies have got the monopoly in the market. The news is that the Bharti Airtel has decided to increase tariffs across the prepaid plans by 20 to 25% from November 26. Now, this has signaled that companies are looking way to increase the profitability ahead of a new investment, wherein they want to start 5G services and to establish the 5G networks in India. As per the company, the average revenue per user (ARPU) needs to be increased to have a financially healthy model. Now, tariffs of postpaid customers will also be going to subsequently increased. However, the company has already abolished some plans like 799 and has automatically upgraded them to 999. This is a very alarming situation wherein these companies automatically deciding upon plans for the existing customers. The company has already abolished many postpaid plans and has blamed TRAI that whatever plans does not exist, the customers are automatically upgraded to the higher value plans. This has already been done by Airtel for many customers. Further, the Airtel has also said that this move to increase in tariffs will help it to raise average revenue per customer or user, which is key yardstick used to measure profitability of a telecom service providers. This increase in ARPU will be from rupees 100 to 200 so as to provide a reasonable return on capital that allows financial healthy business model. Whereas presently this model is not that profitable, and this additional profitability will give Airtel the edge while rolling out 5G services in India. Vodafone, BSNL, Jio, etc. are likely to follow this route and will also be tempted to increase their tariffs or will reduce validity of prepaid packs and data packs. This nowadays know that users require more data. Since telecom companies will be raising the tariffs, the focus will again shift more on quality of service that is generally lacking. While the telecom sector has grown with breakneck speeds over the past few years, the Airtel has increased voice prepaid plans from 99 to 199 while making changes in voice and data bundles also. First of all, telecom service providers will kill the competition, and then these telecom companies will start charging the rates deemed fit as per their business model, which is not good. Presently, there are very few major telecom companies in the market like BSNL, Jio, Airtel, Vodafone, etc. Whereas BSNL is loss making and all users are shifting from BSNL to other service providers because BSNL is yet to start its 4G services pan India. However, call drop and data speeds are of concern. Now, due to increase in customer base, the call drop has already spread to other networks like Jio, BSNL, Vodafone, etc. as their customer base has increased manifold, whereas network equipments by service providers are not upgraded. The increase in tariffs will definitely will be not beneficial to the customers. Now I am finished, and now I will end with a sarcastical question. If people will also start movement like farmers movement to roll back the rates, what these companies will do. With this I end my episode. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel and leave positive comments so that I can improve the channel. Thank you.